नानक सब था एक ओंकार, नानक आर नानक पार, नानक सब था एक ओंकार नानक।
गुरु दे दर्शन वेक वेक जीवा, Guru de Charan do do pīva. A very good morning to all. With this beautiful quote given by Guru Nanak Dev Ji, myself Vidam Gandhi, along with my talented classmates, greet and welcome our respected principal ma'am, respected teachers, and all my dear friends to the second virtual assembly of class 9th Oak. Today we have all come together on this virtual platform to celebrate the birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, who has enlightened the world and hence was referred to as birth of light. His teachings are applicable till date and are referred to as Gurbani, means the words spoken by the one and only true Guru.
Guru Purab or Guru Nanak Jayanti is celebrated as the day to remember the holy Guru, Guru Nanak Dev Ji, and is a reminder for the followers of Sikhism to remember his teachings and overcome the vices of greed, anger and pride, and devote one's life in the selfless service of God. Good morning, I am Saksham Chaudhary, your host for today's assembly, and I welcome you all to this pristine and pious celebration of Guru Purab. Guru Nanak Ji was born as Nanak on 15 April 1469. He is also referred as Baba Nanak. He was the founder of Sikhism and was the first of the 10 Sikh Gurus. His birth is celebrated worldwide as Kartak Purnamashi. Nanak is said to have travelled far and wide across Asia, teaching people the message of Ek Onkar, the one supreme power who dwells in every one of his creations and constitutes the eternal truth. With this concept, he did set up a unique spiritual, social and political platform based on equality, fraternal love, goodness and virtue. After being amazed by the spiritual thoughts of Guru Nanak Ji, I would like to call Jaskun and Tarush to present the thought of the day.
Shri Akal. Today I Jasgun Kaur from 9th Oak am going to share the pious words shared by one true Guru on this blissful morning. Nanak Naam Chardi Kala Tere Pane Sarbat Da Pala. This prayer is usually said after Ardas. It simply means that Nanak asks for taking the name of God, and with that will comes well-being, happiness and positive spirit. And with this blessing, may everyone in the world prosper and live in peace.
Guru Nanak Dev Ji strongly believe in these three principles: Krit Karo, Nam Japo, Vanchako. Krit Karo advises everyone to live honest without exploitation or any fraud. Nam Japo means to chant the holy name of the God at all the time. Vanchako means to share with others and help those with less or who are in need. We all could imply these principles in our life too.
Now trivia time. My friends Krish, Aryan, Avana and Harshit will ask you a few questions based on this festival. I would request the teachers to pause the video after each question and allow a short discussion in class. Thank you.
Hello. Do you know what day Guru Purab or Prakash Utsav is celebrated on every year? It is celebrated on Kartik Purnima, 2 days before Guru Nanak Jayanti. Akhand Path, a 48-hour non-stop reading of the Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book of the Sikhs, is carried out in Gurdwaras to celebrate this occasion.
Good morning. Answer this. What is the procession held during Guru Purab is known as? The procession is known as Nagar Kirtan.
What was the name of Guru Nanak Dev Ji's sister? Her name was Nanki Ji. She had close bond with her brother and was first to recognize his enlightened soul.
From one sound, countless waves are born, and these waves are inseparable from one sea. When you repeat the patterns of sound and thoughts in a Shabad, those thoughts counter the direction and intensity of habitual thoughts. The Shabad provokes a dumping of the stored subconscious patterns of thinking and feeling. Now, the students will perform a beautiful Shabad of Guru Nanak Dev Ji.
Bhai Mardana was the first Sikh and a lifelong companion of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Bhai Mardana accompanied Guru Nanak Dev Ji on most of his travels across Punjab. Bhai Bala was too a childhood friend and a lifelong companion of Guru Nanak Dev Ji and Bhai Mardana. According to Bhai Bala's Janam Sakhi, he travelled with Guru Nanak Dev Ji and Bhai Mardana on their great journeys across the world. My friends, Aryan Singh, Kashvi, Mahima and Shreya would be telling us some devotional and inspiring anecdotes on the Guru Nanak Dev Ji's life and travels.
One day, Guru Nanak Dev Ji travelled far and wide with Bhai Mardana. He taught people the right ways of living. He went from village to village on foot, and on this day he was very tired and hungry. He was exhausted and could not go further. So decided to stay in a village. There, they met some people.
The Guru stopped and said, "Dear sir, we are travelers and we have been walking for a long time. We are hungry and exhausted. Can you give us a room to sleep and some food to eat?" "Go away," said the villagers rudely. "We don't care for any travelers." They asked many other people, but everybody was rude and unkind to them. They had to spend the night outside and no one would let them stay in. They also went to sleep hungry and exhausted. Before leaving the village, the Guru blessed the people of the village.
They set out on their journey once again. Bhai Mardana was very upset. He did not like blessings for such bad people, but he did not say anything. Towards the evening, they came to another village. The people of that village were very good. They welcomed everyone who came to their village. They were very kind to Guru Nanak Dev Ji and his friends. They served them good food with loving care. They gave them nice beds to sleep for the night. After the prayer, Guru Nanak said, "May the people of this village scatter everywhere."
Mardana felt very upset once again. He said to the Guru, "Master, I cannot understand your wishes. You wish the good to scatter away and the bad to stay happily in one place. You curse the good, but you bless the bad." Guru Nanak said to Mardana, "I have not cursed the good people. I wish these good people to scatter away and flourish in other parts of the world. Wherever they go, they will make the people good. If there are more good people, the world will be happier. The bad people will make the other people rude and unkind wherever they go. So tell me, Bhai Mardana, if I am unfair with my blessings." Bhai Mardana understood his doings and praised the Guru.
The next day, as he was traveling by foot, walking from village to village, offering his teaching to the people, one day he happened to be a guest in the home of a very rich man of the area. As he was leaving, he gave that man a sewing needle and told him that, "Keep it with you. Sometime later, if you see me, you can give it back to me."
After Guru Nanak had left, the man told his wife about the incident. The wife immediately scolded the man. "Why did you take a needle from a guru? We don't take anything from such an enlightened person. We only give them our offerings. Also, he is an old man. Suppose he dies and you don't get to give him this needle back, you will be in debt forever." She advised her husband to somehow find him and return the needle to him immediately.
So the man started trekking Guru Nanak. Slowly, after a couple of months, he caught up with him and said, "Guruji, I cannot take this needle from you. You are an old man. In case you die, I cannot carry this needle with me to heaven. I will be in a great debt forever."
Guru Nanak Dev Ji smiled and replied, "So you know that you cannot carry this needle to heaven. And when you know you cannot carry a needle, what about all those other things you are accumulating? You will not be able to carry any of that either." The man got the message and he went back home, just kept what was needed for his family and went about building whatever was needed for the well-being of people around him.
Good morning, dear children. Wish you all a very happy Gurpurab. I'm really glad that in spite of COVID-19, we have been celebrating all the festivals with fervor and gaiety. Children, your friends have told you about the significance of Gurpurab. Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the first Guru of Sikhism, whose birthday we celebrate as Gurpurab, what did he speak about? What was his message? He said, "Ek Omkar, God is one, and we, human beings, must live together in peace, unity, and brotherhood. So today, while we celebrate the birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, let us all remind ourselves that we are all one, and we need to live in peace and harmony with each other.
Thank you everyone for joining in and being a part of this assembly. We hope you liked and enjoyed it. Thank you Principal Ma'am and McNanny Ma'am for giving us the opportunity to present this assembly today. Now, I would like to end the assembly with a quote by Guru Nanak Dev Ji. When you kneel down in front of Guru Sahib, he stands up for you. And when he stands up for you, no one can stand against you. Happy Guru Purab.